I always say food and art are universal language. You can connect with anybody when you talk about food and art because there is so much similarity when you talk about this subject. There is different subject that you may not be interested in, but if you talk about food and art, you'll have a lot of people joining you in a conversation. So I start by doing my baklava when I came here to United States, and I learned about volunteering and all that stuff. And I didn't know what volunteering is all about. And I told the lady, I don't know what volunteer is. And she said, can you help in any way? I said, yeah, I make good baklava. And I start making baklava and give it to the people. And then they loved my baklava, and I became famous by Mimi's famous baklava. So that's my story about the baklava and how I get involved. So I always say food and art are universal language because that was the only way for me to get into the system, through baking my baklava. And from baking my baklava, then I accomplished now school in the school, closing the school for the Muslim holiday, for instance. I accomplished so many stuff that I needed to, and if it wasn't for my baklava story, I would have not been able to do it. So